want a war. Cause me drop and lick my knee cup and my foot kinda sick. So you know what I'm saying? Me not say none to him. Them there what them there. You don't I want to go visit them for them there what them there. The day, them there what them there. I want them there what them there. One time you go look for them. The day when you're there for your spa date. You there when you're there for your spa date. Your spa date. When you're there on spa date. The little girl get in contact with me so she not a lunch money for over school. Did I come on social media and talk that? Did I come on social media and talk that? The day when I have on the big a diamond, I tell. Because me get the phone call, a diamond, I did the road, a diamond know. But me don't want to come talk because you know, me don't want to come talk. Someone go say a lie shot tell because me not a friend. So I tell her don't open her mouth. The day when I go for your spa date, the little girl ring my phone. Because for them there with them there and me a spend. Should have that phone you use. And it not take no charge. I'm going to Rainbow go buy. I'm going to buy 2 phones. Ask him cousin when I'm doing it. 2 phones I'm going to buy. I buy one for Barbar. I buy one for me send Richie. Caan don't have to buy the phone. When with that princess, when Diamond them did their matches lane. When Pangana to do them here, Miss send Caan go buy the phone in a Burger King. The day when I buy Barbar when I me and Duni go buy it and buy 2 chip. Where I come tell people say, you know, for your spa date and little girl that tell me say she want lunch. But I say you want lunch but they over school. Cause them not eat anything. I should tell someone say your father gone for a spa date. Your father gone for a spa date. Say but I got so much of film face. Say you want lunch money. At 12 years me do it. Say them don't have no underpants, them not go wear none. So hush. This is to you or your supporter them. At 12 years me do it. I Friday them come home. I pay a story about people. Me not pay like them I tell. But me know what me got talk about. A Friday them come and them there with them there. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. A 5 day now. So you gotta tell me, say, them come out and a 5 day you starting a balling. You know shame. So when I build your house, what are you going to do with them? It not go worse. Have a 5 day, you know you ball them now have the underpants, and them now have no this, and them this, that, and them want this, and them want that, and blah, 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 and blah, 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 blah. And we are going to do for the rest of them life. Make it make sense, Andrew Beckford. Jakes, make it make sense. Make it make sense. No, because them bring it on social media, and them and the people them in a chattings. Him and the whole of them are the long face one, are the long face old stale girl when I'm sassy and sweet, sassy P moderator. We are come talk about me up your people. Me know share one of them in my head. That's why I can't like him. Certain things about the youth them bring it on social media too much. I'm moderator. Oh, and other people them name in a parchment. People, me don't know what do people in a parchment paper. I know you see it, you don't tell them for stop. You don't tell them for come off of me. You know what you see? The two look give for my throat go get Hakeem. So me literally say when it come on to on social media, when it commands to me still friend with Hakeem, it burn somehow on the bad because you want to mash up the friendship so much, you want to try all type of something. And if Hakeem the keep him match, whether or not me shoot, you still would have something for say. I know how you run. Damn if you do, and damn if you fucking don't. So we're not talking about no gift. We're not even talk about gift. Because if you keep him match, I'm going to go send shit. You still would have come out a morning. You still would have come out a morning and talk something different. Because I always want to use my name for content. So damn if we do and damn if we damn if me do and damn if me don't. So me do and I feel like me want to do. But anyway, now Hakeem we are talking about. We are talking about tricks. You say they put them over underpants and not this and that. Warm to the whole of the money where you rank. From the whole from when them warm to the tree what a ranking where you do. A tree with me them me just falling back to look time them. Warm to the tree what a ranking where you do. What you do with them money I know me see the black. I see the black them in the lane I know no black not start there yet. I see the black them in a lane and no black not start there yet. So warm to the tree with a ranking where you use the money and pay pussy you buy. He's an unfit father. Cause me gone for 5 days, you can't do it. Suppose if me that's what I tell me, I make you drain my energy. You know your family them. I don't make you drain my energy because at the end of the day, me and what the kids them have all the time. Cause just how much you pocket underpants. So come here. Come here. Come on, ask someone to stop me now. They don't have any underpants and a panty. So I'm to the one I buy last month. Warm to the underpants and the panty them and the marina them I buy last month. Warm to the pack of underpants and the pack of marina we buy last month. Last month. Which is for September, go back to school. Warm to them there. I never did buy none. I never really ask Triple if she never did send it come because I know say I Triple buy it, send it come, I see it go fit and can come give me a see view. You understand? The little boy shoes them they have him left up at the place. I buy 2 pair of shoes. The little boy shoes when they have him left up at the place. You understand? I'm Air Force. When I'm Air Force, when I have, when I buy must in a April or me I buy it, I eat myself put back your foot. What the problem? And if you pick one new school shoes, you make a support them when you chat off them mouth, give them work for do. Cause why me have a supporter in my life I living, in my business and can't help me? One of your supporter them must go buy the little boy one shoes. Since me careless. Come here, I saw me take the basket down and carry water, you know. Since me careless. Sassy and whatever she want name, one of your supporter them over your life must can buy one shoes for 15,000. $100 US that. And I look good name on the app. And through you checkle down, you start to water back down, Jakes. You start to walk up back down, and you want a piece of Akim's story, and you don't know the cover line. She love man more than her pitney them. Cause that you use. Cause with the pan apple say you water back down because you don't have nothing for bring on the table more than sit on top of the screen shoot. Nothing more. I look like poor things. That's through you water back down. I just say me I can finally talk back now. Yes, say me I can finally talk back now. So you want to catch a piece of the cloth back now for say she love man more than I pick them because look how she got shoot for man last night and I pick them on one pair of shoes to wear go to school. So you put it that way now. Okay then. Me not give business because me not buy none. Warm to your money where you have. Where your money where you aspire, where you going to do with it. Because for some own information, me and Akim never stop talking yet. Never. Me and him never stop chat yet. The only way me and Akim not chat, I have me no want chat to him. Me always chat to him. The only way me and him not talk. Me ever chat, but me no want chat to him. Me and him ever chat. Me have him number, me can call him. Whether we vex on the phone or off the phone. You can't pick up a time on the phone and call him. Why you always make this thing be about me and Akim and what we are doing on social media and it's not about your kids. Me and Akim never vex it. We might fall out. We not going to say we have teeth and tongue meat and we not fall out. We fall out. Him tell me about my ass, I'm going to tell back about him pussy clot and we keep it moving. Like human being do. So me and him, everyone really see me and him play a match too good. We good. But then that's really come about. We really come about the 5 days we get to spend your money, you're in a peer problem. 5 days, if you get to spend your money in a 5 day, get out of your time to spend your money where you are hustling, you have problem. 5 days. 5 days. 5 days, get to spend your one where you are make, and you have problem. So I'm to the years when me I do it. Them man underpants, so fun. So them man underpants, me not go buy none. And from Chantal a little bit, me I buy them, come straight up at your time now. If you don't want your anti-clap, stop come on social media, come talk about your below to them, and you can't take care of Pitney. This, what you do today, proving you're not fit financial to take care of a child. And us chattings, you love you and your family them. Chattings. Chattings, you know what, you know. You're unfit, you're not stable none at all. When you build a house, and them living like, oh, them are going to eat, oh, them are going to wear underpants and panty, can you have problem with that? Oh, them are going to wear shoes. Can you have problem with that? Make it make sense. Can you have 5 subjects, you come like baboon. You have 5 jobs, you come like a fucking baboon. You're a baboon. Numbskull. Yeah, and that's why I can't like GX. I call him last time to talk to me now. I call him last time to talk to me now. Never up on the phone and talk, you know. And I say to myself, say bad to bad. You know, when you talk to your baby father, you say blood clot. I feel like my heart could have come down and say, you know, say, problem like forgive Jesus. No. I mean, I think about it. I say, you know, say, probably that I'm the next girl. My next sense when I'm having on me, because it's a dual, me have 2 different persons. Let me say, you mad? No. Because you're wicked. If the people them want underpants and marine and brief or whatever, you have my number. If them dirty, I go come to a conclusion and wash it. Me them are there for 3 weeks, me not there in my yard. So if them dirty, you're there for 3 weeks, you don't wash nothing. You hard to wash. What to do when I go down like that? You're putting them clothes there, you're out mid-gear to come sit down and pick out your picnic whatever them want and pay your mama for wash it. Or your girl wash it. Play your role. And we come on social media look sympathy for. Then they put them on underpants and marina. Why social media for know that? Y'all give the enemy them ballers. Y'all give them boy. I will want to give them whatever blow off for me. Me not buy none. So them not go wear none. Me serious. You're too much. Me not buy none. So don't buy none. Take me or buy it. Me I go buy. Send him 2 gift. Send him 2 gift. Moderator make them type you throw away. I'm mute. But the comment section run me play them read and enjoy themselves. Send him 2 look blood clot gift. Give somebody, me see nothing wrong with that. Me not see nothing wrong with that. So support somebody I want match. Me not see nothing wrong with that. Me not see nothing wrong with that. Me not see nothing wrong with that. If you have a match and me can't come drop in, me drop in simple. Me not see nothing wrong with that. Me not see nothing wrong with that. If somebody have a match and Ray. Cause I said me never go to one and I say, oh Ray, but then that will really come out. But me know the match on the problem, you know. Me know so the match on the problem, you know. Cause I said me never shoot over the match. You wouldn't hear all them want this and all them want. Only go and buy it. Only go and buy it since me not buy them. Go and go buy it, man, and come off of me and leave me alone, man. Cause me not buy none. Yeah. Yeah. Me not buy none. A $40,000 make you go buy them clocks. $40,000 make you go buy them clocks. And when me go to the blood clock bookstore, me spend almost $80,000 for them book list. Cause me draw 100,000, which I me almost 10,000, let me see. Plus, take me to walk with some more money. I'ma buy them uniform and them bag and them this and them that and them blay and them blay and them tear and them blay. I send go foreign when we do every year. Cause me no like see little boy them. Me no like see boy pit na little think my underpants them. I strictly fruit of the loop and ears my go. Me no like see them little full one away. When I ready the last car fight is but me no like see it. A tiara used to buy it. Tiara used to buy them underpants and them sitting out foreign. Me said me money go buy it. Me said Tiara hold this time to buy this. I triple last month me buy it. Last month with panty. Come and tell triple off buy the panty. Me say she grow and I about to cock up buy 14-year-old size cause you have that. I buy 14-year-old size cause her ass big. Right? Buy 10-year-old size to barber because him fat. You understand? I don't know, one underpants me buy. 1 pack. 2 pack of marina and panty. So on to the rest where you have. You go pick them out and wash them. Pick them out. Cause you play a good father role on the net. And then you a wash and cook. Me give you authority to come pick out them clothes and wash them. Me can't, right now me have a foot pain. Cause me drop. And for me no make no friend tab me one eye. Me can't get the clothes and for wash them. I pay already for wash them. Me give my mother 16,000 for wash some clothes and he make him mama friend tab her in her tab the man in her eye. Me can't say if she do the work all now me pay feet already. Me for go get her extra money. Oh, never paid in on my foot. I have a bro friend me have to take. No don't come over my piece pan this. Any picture want paint, go and go paint it. You understand? But you are gonna spend out a yearns by your picnic them. And come show people have sense on social media start see you feel it already. You not even see that. You feel. Because you have bills and you want to take them and you want this and you want that and you want that. You can't buy 1 pack of underpants. Make a support for them buy when your ears are tell about hobby and the bag of chatting. Them can't sell $100. Them can't sell $100. Them can't sell $100. Them can't sell $100. And him not have no shoes. Him not go walk barefoot. All them lifetime I me a buy it. You not plan for buy nothing. I left him let the shoes up at the place. I may have Air Force. Me have Air Force here when I buy. When them dirty for wear for 3 months good. I eat my drawback far. And tomorrow morning, if them want 2 brand new pair of shoes, me never come back social media come back to nobody. Because the bank I go downtown. I got the bank, that's why God bless me, I'm a team. God bless me, I'm a team, man, and people come support me. He said if tomorrow morning them want something, I got the bank and send somebody if me no want go. Yes, you always spread this narrative so I love man more than me youth them. What are you doing? You always do it. Send 2 gifts because give somebody hour. Look how much gift me get past social media. Why am I going to support somebody at them match? There's nothing wrong with that. Pay your duty, your role. You have to take up responsibility where you can't manage. So all your mama now come out with their class me. I tell me, I'm pussy shit up, she don't have the money. What on that empty drum and that bum. Eh? Your mama come out and the Lord shall tell and a stinking girl. She not have no money. She broke. You know, see me had a real blood clot than the show. You know, see that? The party can't start without me coming up. On a light. She don't have the money. She don't got any money. She can't support her grandkids. No, your mouth so loud. Oh, no mouth so loud. I pay empty barrel, I make pay nice. She can't support. She can't support her grandkids them. And oh, she run out for war. And you don't have dollar. Jakes, you are failing to be a father. You're failing, very failing badly. Sorry, poor decision. Yeah, fail. So when I run up on social media, tell them say, no care what I do, I can't escape them mama. Cause me feel along the line. Cause when gift stop show, I mean I have the money, we're gonna still use back the mama. We gonna want them mama for use. Yeah, so tell us support them here was stop this up my baby mother cause we still want her for use. Tell them that. Stop this up my baby mother cause we gonna still want her for use. We still want her for use at all costs. She can't rub out of the picture no time. Tell them that. She can't rub out of the picture no time. Cause me always feel one at a time. Most of the time them me I feel, yeah. Come on, the one two a 3 week no year rank. What if you buy you put them 2 pocket underpants and 2 trainees? Them one shoes you go buy it at 15,000 for one shoes. You can get one earphone down there for 8 grand. You're too dibby Jakes. Jakes are too dibby. You're too dibby. You're dibby against all the pitney them. You're dibby na blood clot. At $8,000 for a earphone down a blood clot. Don't have perennial charge, 9 grand. You can go buy one for your pitney. 2 9s are 18. $20,000. You can't be gonna when I support them cats in $100 they go buy $150 they go buy you 2 dibby. And careless enough and lie and evil with capital E. That's why I can't like you. It can buy it. Cause anyway you go to China brand. Anyway, you're going to roll a China brand you get. You buy A1 or A2. It can't wear. It can't wear. It can't wear. I like me now, but in an argument. Because I want to put them more simple. But you want to come on social media, you want to have them in a background, you want them chat off them mouth, and what they can know what you do. Daddy will want this, and daddy will want that, and daddy will want this, and daddy will want that. And daddy, all of a sudden, them want, when them reach one of them want the whole world. You give social media something for talk. Say me a worthless girl, and now I care about a man, because I got throw the tool to give them last night. That year, do I see it. Yeah. When the day had Sunday, man, say they want underpants and this. The day had Sunday, they want them the Sunday. I test say, you know, because I know you are going to feel. I know it will come. Because everything you turn one big social media influencer, Days of Our Life, Jakes. Rosalie now take care of put them, my man she want. And want everything when they play them on social. Go ball it up on social media. You dibby. Bar. Make her did one fuck you like a blood to the girl who you care for bed come fuck her. Me know she sell pussy. I know you figure her money. Stop by fuck with yearns. And that if you do. The girl who you care for bed come blood clad fuck. Stop by fuck from them. Cause them now fuck if a freak. I remember you ugly. And nobody know why you call long to you there. And none of them never blood clot want you. Them only want you know call look money around. All your woman like I told look money around them ups. And me and you know that. Tell social media that. Come on, you feel like you're not even a woman like you. To look at money around, she ups, got money around. And I got talk about pass my and I got tell me say me bad mind. Me bad mind. I mean, you some water down. Get I me your vision a refresher for me. Cause me not calling him you start water down. Me not calling name, you start walk out. You can have get that image for yourself and stop calling my fucking name. Want to hear your image? And you know mine are pitting them and are pitting them and the pitting them and the pitting them and the pitting them and the pitting them. Eh? So when they now work out, who used to mind them? All of them clothes that them buy, all of the clothes them where them buy and the things them who used to buy it. Them bag, them uniform, them shoes, them game, them phone. How we used to buy it? Over money them spend right through yours or mines. Whenever I work, your mama used to beg, you offer money, used to take out and give her in my own. So you come on social media going like something the done. For the key in your life. Because you can't do without me. If you could have do without me, you would not call me name say put them on this. You come around and do what you have to do. Because sometimes I put them on kids. Me not come on social media, come tell them everything. When me I beg, me not tell them everything, you know. Because the guys, me I look 2 shoes. Who can help me? Is that them can't. Me not do that, you know. You not begging a desperation too much. You are new beg desperate in a blood clot. People have gone on your life story. John Legend, the book of life, Under the Sea, the mirror, the car, read eulogy so long in a church, pastor preach and pulpit, then pastor gonna go and drink rum. I saw you beg with too much desperation. Like you're desperate. Me not beg with surfer. Me not beg with surfer. Chatter 2 shoes where look who can help me. Simple. Who like you enough can help you. My moderator would never come on social media, come bring down huge checks of 2 shoes. Then would I inbox me and say, it's the money that girl go and go buy. It's a disgrace. You're a man disgrace. Man. And the girl empire, we are trying to look at different I turn in us. The girl empire we are throw you 2 gifts, I turn in a look sissy. Your man would have go away. Man for act like man. Y'all look 2 shoes. What kind of story you got on in now? All of them have 2 shoes, I look 2 more with me one bite. Chat me look, I'm gonna go buy some things to me youth them. Some snacks or some do simple. I have to take money to go buy whatever them want. You know if I come and say them not have no drawers, them not have no underpants, them teeth are rotten, them eye drop out. Say beg. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. Because when me I beg me, I go down a dictionary and a line in. Me I look 100 a line. Me I look 100 a line. Us. We like you. Yeah. Pussy clot. Tired of one man. Tired of one. We're tired of them. Tired of blood clot them, man. Tired of them. Tired of them. But mind your pitney. You worry about the wrong that things them too much. Want to get the money now spend. I fuck alone you go buy with your one. The 2 look gift me to you go them want shoes. And them want bag. And them want this. And them want that. So I'm to what me used to do it. I mean been a do it. You not gonna tap me pie, you know. Go buy it, come not go buy no more. Want to your money where you get. Your mama come out of class, mother. Oh, I'm tell her, say, I just class she too. I have a problem with paper, so I'm to fear money, she don't have the money. When I can't find the blood clot shoes, I keep my car and say, I can't find the shoes. Oh, I can get one shoes today. I remember saying, no, so me buy 2 Air Force. When them never wear long. Them wear for about 2 months. It there. So me can't make him go and rock it back. Depends on the condition we're in. If it's in a one good condition, me just buy it. Simple. Me throw 2 gifts. Last time Akim can't stop me if I mind my pity them. Me know, me confident about that. The 2 gifts that when me throw Akim last time, me know it can't stop me from mind Chan and Barbar. Me put my neck on the block for that. Me sure know that. Me sure know about that. Me confident about that. Nobody not give with them last. So come to the forefront, me and someone no shake tamarind over here. I just stinking moderator about she have gifters name pan parchment people. Stinking sassy, me no want go on bad. Ask Jake said me never gonna obey man yet. I want not to my career. Can't want bring down people. You can't buy you want just a fucking you all. Why the blood cutting by and putting them 2 shoes? How now look blood clot, good name and good gifter role. By putting them 2 shoes. You broke too? Yeah, because you did owe up for fear tax money. So I be broke people over Drake side, cause them not like me, them over there. I go like my things. Cause the one of them over there broke. Cause remember say you do call Apple Bar, Apple 25 and a foreign you live. A foot. You try me drop. Me drop and lick my blood clot foot, I pure judgment. Me I sit now take. And I'm a deep sleep, call me. I say, what is it? You tell somebody on social media say you put them on underpants and marina. So I say, wow, what jokes are coming? Say me under pain. My foot I come drop and lick my foot and me under blood. Me slide and slip and fell and lick my foot at me. You ask somebody you tell somebody on social media say you put them on underpants. I'm so kind of judgment this jokes are call me. Pan in a early them hours of morning here. And my foot are at me. But you know, so try baby mother and baby for there for correspond. So we are talk about, you know, when blood clot tell me where piss me off. Oh, me say, I better them they stay with them. I better them they stay with them then at the long of the girl. Yeah. I'm just on my phone. Come here, if I take the boy, I take him from my class, you know. Him just say something, what just trigger me. I'm just hang on my phone. How what did you say to me? Oh, me for say that. When them do them weak like that, me weak. Like you come for set me up or something. Me hang on my phone because my brother don't want to style you. Me hang on my phone. Me hang up my phone. Me hang up my phone. Me hang up my phone. Stop come on social media come out. Me not take care of my youth them brother. Go play a role as a man. You buy clothes. You buy nothing. You buy clothes. You buy nothing. Them want panty no go buy it. Want to the money where you walk over here. I know the building, the block no go up. Your mama will come out of classes and she can't have no money too. The whole on her crosses. I never want to say my sorry my breed. I never want to say my sorry my breed. I'm not going to say that. Because I love my youth them dearly. Take care of your youth them. Simple. They can't buy 2 shoes, bro. The whole of them they put my name in a box. Take care of your youth them and leave me alone. Them can't buy 2 shoes. Appear, enemy said do if you do, I do if you don't. They can't buy 2 shoes. I see my while I got a road, you know. I'm here, you know. I say, chat. Me don't know, but it's like me a change. It's like Father gotta change me in some way. Me a change, you know, I take a look at time and I change in the car. It's when I see him. And I look, I see him and I say, Chacha God. But don't even open my mouth. And normally, to all my pissed off, me that I see him in a chattings. But don't even open my mouth. Me just passed my while ago. Me don't even open my mouth. And my phone a ring down. My phone a ring down from there. My phone a body. My phone a ring down. I'm gonna up my mouth. Come here and say, you see that nigga ya? You see that nigga ya? The nigga you come on social media. You come show the rat. First you fuck on my bed. You and the people in my war. Cause you don't want to leave. You come, you show the rat shit in my drawer. And you keep on and tell the people them say, oh, a man more, me don't love my pitney them. Right? And it just to prove no who wants someone that don't love them pitney. Yeah. Cause if it's up to me to buy 2 pair of shoes, me never gonna call you and ask you. Me buy 2 phones for 30,000 and me never call you and ask you. Cause the day when I come to you for the 20 grand is a hot water. I decide so me not ask you nothing more for your youth then. Me not ask you about no question. And I go buy 2 phones. Cause of that one over Shanta have it now work. So I buy 2 phones with 2 chip and charger. And I buy it in a side of Burger King there so. $15,000 one I buy 2. When me I bite my heart never at me. When me I bite my heart never at me. When me I bite me never go drop down. And when me I bite me not complain. Well, why you as father will not forgive you put this on a peer problem. Go be a man, go be a father. You gotta buy some of you them what? You gotta buy some of you them what kind of complain you want. You know, your money where you run don't look at those. So if it start for major. But if I want to send on coming on, I go say, oh, me I up you for your blood clad place. Come and look on you and eat. You can't buy one pack of underpants, Jake. Whenever cost 20,000. Me dear. I come back on my yard now. So the daughter clothes I wait for my mom and pay my money for wash them in a see she. So she me ask her, she now come and she blood clad clothes them. I owe my 16,000 ago. Cause me can't wash it cause me sick. Me can't walk. Me can't walk. Me can't walk. So me get up to she. And if I get one extra 5,000, she will do it. Come pick out your picnic clothes and tell them go wash them. Do you feel like when you come on social media, me ashamed? Me not ashamed. Me not ashamed. I have to pay your role. So all of them, oh, I should throw a gift keep on it. Me not ashamed. You as a father have to play your blood clot role. Until you're ready to pay it. Me know me I play mine. But you have to play your role, Kawa. And then me alone get them. They're ready to play a role. Papa, we are wait. A full time now for you play a role. Yeah. Play it. For you come on social media, you been a use them name and beg. Use them name same and beg where you want for them. Nothing wrong with that. Me not say nothing wrong with that. For the day, for the Sunday you click live, and they pity them name you use a beg till now. And when you throw me I need the boss. And when you throw me I need the boss, and I say me a wicked woman, and me this and me that, and them name you used to beg from Wappy kill fill up. Who come round me know me love my pity them? Who they round me know me love my pity them? Who in my ears know me love my pity them? Me no ask question and me no think twice. Before my bad, the girl buy the 2 clocks, I ask him my beg socks to shoes them. And him look about him and say, me buy, no worry. Him look about him and say, yo, no worry. I said that man, I don't want him go say this and I don't want him go say that. Him ask to buy the 2 shoes them. And I said, no, don't buy it, don't worry, I will get it. Him ask. So I said, who me have around me, I have to care about my pity them. Duh! Yeah, because that man left for yard since them there were them there. She said, Rosa can't leave them. Me care about him, I care about them. Me not left, she not left. Me not have nobody around me when I care about my pity them. Yeah. I'm not doing this to the media, I'm not doing this to chattings. I ain't doing this for the media like Uno. I do this to the chattings. I mean work on my pity them. And we know this. And that's why you always a fluctuate and flap. Because you don't know how to do it. You don't know how to do it. You always a fluctuate and a flap. Because you don't know how to do it all now. And me work on my pity them straight. God tongue go sell and mind them straight. Come on social media, come to the dudes and mind them straight. I want to class me. Me not stop come I have to find money for mind them. So I come use what my talent what God give me. Big create platform, have show type when I have one match, me cash out and buy what them want. Straight. Now 120 total for Barbara switch, $120,000 for it. And him switch match up yesterday, I'm gonna buy it today. And I ask him a call and say, more one game for Barbara. I'm selling figure it out. I'm saying figure more one game. I'm saying I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna put up on one link to somebody. Cause somebody will have to know somebody. And the man can't come the next day. I'm gonna drop my money, bam, 120,000. I eat me that walk I look for. As I reach me I walk I look for because I couldn't find it. And they said the judgment would have start because I'm nothing to that look about and the piece of game. I'm going to know where I'm comfort. I'm going to go buy it next day. You 1 month, 3 months. Next to never soon. So I might put them for barefoot and I buy a game for 120,000. What's wrong with someone stinking on upon social media? You know what I mean? I want to go kick the bucket. Stop test my faith. I mean, I want to go text it for me. I want to talk. I'm just... I'm not talking about I can't bear my heart when I bust too much liberty from people. Like I don't know things about people. I hate it. When I got talk and come down with the mouth. When I got do it. No time at all. Say me I buy a game for 120,000. I'm putting the barefoot and underpants and nothing. You mar? That makes sense. Make it make sense. Me not buy none. If them not even go buy. I wonder when you go pay your father role. And a pure lie, wanna walk and tell, a pure lie. Wanna on the confident, want to call him the Jezebel, him, Gen G, Jezebel, a long time, fuck out people, them who blind, you can't see what them a chat say, who hungry and find out, don't put your name like a leech, day in day, blood clot on. Go find some do man, go find a Biden city, all czar, mucus, long time, support call read, dead in a wall, call canvas. Shit in a blood clot draw seat. Waste condom in a bag. Old stool. You don't know nothing for do. You don't go run me off. You don't run me from my work. Go and chat. Come and pay on no mind. Let me have to call on the name. You don't exist in this. You come like the woman will come. You know them come like people. The woman will come from Triza. T-R-A. You should never come from Triza. But where the place where the woman come from? Triza. Wait name. Triza. Wait name. T-E-R-E-S. Somebody write it there. So wait name. That word T. Blood clot. And one thing you know, I never stay in a school. T-R-E. T-R-T-E. T-E-R-E-S-A, that word there. When you come to a woman with blood clot come Japan American, we can't find her all now. You stink, where? And them don't shooting Drakes and Drakes need some help on Drakes and all about Drakes. Certain circumstances trap me say what they because all of a sudden certain circumstances what they say some things I mean and you know they get me in a local spot because I'm a mouth. I get my beaten and I suffer my consequences. Good God of blood clot grace. At 2 years now I every year thing. When I back time, when I back to school and I back time, me have my wife will say back. I say, but wife, you know, but you step in them bag. She don't even hesitate. She said, I'm gonna buy it today. I'm sending it to you. Wife buy bag, moderator buy this. The girl must support me house and help me out. So the bumper pussy blood clot you come like say, you get support and me get support. So what you do with your support? And that me I talk about. What wrong with someone? You are getting, I am getting, you have a platform. I 70,000 followers GX have, you know? GX come on social media and fly up, but like, blow up. I never see that yet. A long time there. I have never seen it. GX reach 100, GX how much I reach 100,000 followers and him there 1 month good yet. I'm see people there for years but can't move. Just them stuck. Me never see it either. You have a platform, use it and beg for you them and stop ring up my name like bell. Stop call up my name like when phone a ring. Every day. And my name you talk. Go use a platform and the whole stale girl them. Oh, you would for bite off. Take care of people them because them a look fuck for you. So stinking Chevy with upon how and okay and send to other pants come here pity them. What do you on social media? Don't get me now a forensic. So steal Chevy with upon how and I'm your Chevy your first lady couldn't send you one 200 pounds go buy what you have for your pin them. We can't leave out she no cash enough. We not leave out she cash enough. I'm never ask him in the beg it him that give me long time. So like when I worries with the boy, kind of time when you see the boy come around me, he get worried. For some reason, I don't really know how. Me don't know how. But if I him me the beg it him that give me it. Me never ask 5 times, nor 2. Cause all on now worries. So she know what so she own. And he wants to leave. He wants to leave. He wants to leave. He wants to leave. And she don't want him to leave, yeah. Couldn't say no one tons if you buy a pin and underpants and marina, whatever them want. You know, so she go and nail, she go. Nail. I wanna put fear name in the record, it says still searching like Google. On a body pan social media, on a cloud tracer. I want be me and can't. Cause sometimes bad man I wonder how you do it. When you can't do it, Neil she go. Cause I could not shut up to a wipe on social media, I put them on things and him can't run out for broken make me say For the chat for the if I hype do it for do it. So I was gonna Neil why? Then you go do spot it whatever so you put them on pan and underneath your good Then you go do spot it whatever never say you put them on the pants and marina. My dear. My dear. My dear. You go to spa date, never say you put on underpants and marina. And a man she care about her, she don't care about her kids them. The God don't draw a fall and never say, pin them one this, say, pin them one that. Getting a fresh stock clothes and not say, pin them one this, say, pin them one that. But when you go, I'm going to care about picnic. You know, so I make sacrifice, a lot of sacrifice for my kids them. I buy them what they want. For them comfortable. Me I grow girl picnic and boy picnic. I go on Airbnb. Ever know that? Me sacrifice a lot for my picnic them. Lovely. I know I'm sacrifice my picnic them. Lovely. Me no like say when picnic big. I show them young, you easily go under the influence. Anything easily influence you. So if you're lacking something, me no want them beg. So me beg for them. So I try to make them comfortable. Anything you want. If you don't want to, cause sometimes people don't want no food, you know, they just want money in their hand for look on it. My son, I tell you my son stay. My son who just want the money for look on it. I'm saying, where you go buy? I'm thinking about it. And for you think where you go buy that me you don't want nothing. Mark my word. For you ever sit down and think where you go buy, you don't want shit. Nothing you don't want. So I know him stay. Him like him food when God Barbara like him food and him look money in him pocket and him gadget. Happiest day in life. Not no worry him. Happy when he can sit down and eating food and done eating food and playing game. Chantal she want one yellow blow dry. I forgot fight one yellow bird. Blow dry, I don't know where I go find it, you know. But I forgot buy it. I want laptop. I forgot find it. I can make triple bite for me. I'll take away you them. That's about my fuck life. Cause you like giving me jealous. Until you come and talk about the boy and the things them. It just say this wasn't about the kid. But I know. But just left one up on social media and gonna ravel up the sentences them. Where am I going on? Call that to ravel up. When I say, when I ravel it up to fix it together. This is what never about the kids. It's about me and Akeem and how far reach of a star fuck yet. It's what it's all about, fam. That is what it's all about for Jake from the beginning. So I don't know. The one I want to come and talk about, oh, and the man want us. It was all about me and Akeem. I would start fuck yet. How far reach tonight. I would to when I tell you now see me and him, yeah, one ever still attack or not. So it's a positive thing. Me understand what the makings, you know. So it will come out to him is a positive thing, so him don't know. So when the screener card run Sunday, I realize say, cause when me not go and party, me know it's sweet here, you know. It's sweet, yo. When all of them are chat, it's sweet blood. Oh, the boy don't want her. It's sweet, yo. But when I see the screener card run, I just see me and him, they are Caan and Spark or whatever. I would make a blood clot. Pussy clot. They gone back in a one different dimension. Last time I got shoot at one different dimension. So it's not about the kids, about me and my crutches. For Jakes. Not picking nothing. But you don't know that. Because you don't know him. Like I do. Yeah. Because the only reason why you carry the girl in my bed because you feel like say, yeah, me and Akeem start fuck now. And you not see me and him on the camera. And you don't know if we attack. So you do one up. So you feel hurt, so you try to hurt my back. That's why you carry in my bed go fuck. Because you feel like you don't know how far we reach. You don't know how far reach if you are fuck or not. So that's why you carry in beg a grinder for hurt me. But you can't know me and Akeem a fuck Jakes because me not gonna tell you. And social media can't know either. Because we can be fuck him and him say we not fuck and we are fuck. That is how discreet people live with them life. So yes, anyway you go you lose. And you don't know shit. And you will never know nothing. Because him can't say me and him not fuck and me and him a fuck. And me can't say me and fuck and him now fuck, so you don't know nothing. So that's a one puzzle you gotta always have tried to fix. And can't fix it because you could never know. You will never know. You will never fucking know. All you gotta do is guess and spell and assume. Always guess, spell and assume. That's it. You can't know nothing. There's gonna be on private, something nobody can know. There's gonna be 2 walls, keep a secret. Yeah, can't know nothing. A 2 walls will keep that secret there. Secret say between me and 4 walls. You can't know. You can't know. So nobody guess to spell it. And nobody spell it for guess. You can't know. But the one thing more I have to tell you. It's the truth, me know you can't get on my bed go grind on my bed and me pay for. You don't have no morals to me. You say you hurt me, you did. When me and boy not in nothing. You can't come back here, so. It's true, I know say you're evil, but don't even want to call up on phone for you to tape me. To all you're evil, but never want a conversation about you upon a phone. Because you're evil. Because if the people need things that you can't buy. You could have said to me, June, you know, say the clothes them under the yard would have want to wash because you're not there for money. I'm busy on social media and can't do it. Is that they make me come for them and wash them, or you give me you give me a money coming have it now for go buy some more. Me that get you know that. You just go and come on social media come bring me blood clot down. Owen! What happened? Yeah. You could have called me. I said them want me to bite. You never come on social media come ball out. Cause you want to paint a picture. So she can go shoot last night and I put them need things. You're a wicked. When you leave what day, you say you leave with the things them and Vidal and the jar with the rat shit. You're wicked. You know what them text my phone or call it. You know like back and belly rat. Jakes is a back and belly rat. You could have text me or call me, come on to you, them text me or call me. Like you can't text me and they home over here shoot for man. Come on, man, your problem. And when you steal out, you want your back for something. Hold my blood clot piece, guys. It's just because sometimes I feel like all judgment will take me. I mean, I really want a judgment pan because for the past couple of weeks, I stress to my neck, my teeth, my eye, my ears. Yeah. I'm going to look a party, I'm going to switch them party, and I enjoy myself. You understand what I say? You know, I just do one weekend because I come back my yard. I say, alright then, like how them come and them there. Like how them come and them there. I go test. I go give Jakes a 5-day test run. See they feel to pussy clap. Trap me a try into the ranking. 5-day test run me a give me your feel. You see it? People have sense see it. And your time to spend where you have 2 and you can't spend it. 5 feel bad. So when I build a house, all them out to go. Clear upon all that's my house I want for bill, and that's my house I want for done. When the house bill and done, come remember me not live nowhere in as you set you put it to the world. Me not live nowhere, me are the worst. When your house done, oh, them I go cope. Yeah, cause you sell social media one dream. So, oh, yeah, and I go get the pin them, and when the time come, I go get the pin them, I go have them. When you have them, where you go cope? Your mother written if you ask that, and the people them will love chat, and your best to them will attack all type of story make sense. Oh, you go cope? Cause you can't cope now. Cause you can't buy one packet, you can't buy one shoes for 15,000. I would have given one of that blood clot time and a pussy clot there. I would have given one next time I'm there. I would have given one next time I'm there, I swear. I would have given him one next time I'm there. I'm going to look what match play. No, for true. Coming to like kill this man. I play too much.
Trust PS. So I can play too much.
I'm going to mute you because I'm kind of upset, you know.